Hi there, and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. In today's video, we will work on a to-do app UI. By using Tailwind CSS, we will not make the stylish UI. The UI will be as simple as possible, and we will mostly focus on functionality. Let's get started now. We will make first section and show an image of NextJs, and below will be the heading as to-do app. Then we will add some styling using Tailwind CSS for both of the sections. Alright, now in the next section we will show table. In that table we will display to-dos which user added and with some actions like edit to-do and delete to-do. Before making that section, let's check the changes in the browser now. Great. It's looking good for now. Get back to the project again, and let's make our table now. In table heading, we will have hash, which will show count, next the to-do name, and finally the action. In the body of the table, we will show some static to-do data for now. Alright, now let's add some styling here too so it's look better. And tr tag copy and paste the same class in other tr tags. In edit and delete td tag, we will show two buttons here later with same name. Alright, let's check the changes in the browser now to check how our UI is looking for now. As you can see, it's looking much better now as compared to simple table. That's it for now. In the next video, we will work on making the UI dynamic by storing the data in states. I'll see you guys in the next videos now. Happy coding!